So right here we have the Kohler Converge shower head right here. It's a very nice big shower head. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys to demonstrate it here in just a minute. But I wanted to point out that it is a handhold too. So this whole thing comes off, and then you have your wand right here that you can easily, or your piping right here, so that you can easily move it around the shower. And that's great for whenever you're trying to, get hard to reach places in the body, or whenever you're cleaning your shower walls. It makes it a lot easier to be able to spray everywhere with this thing. But first of all, let me show you guys how this thing comes off. You simply have this nice big button right here. So while you have your hand around the handle, you just simply press your button and it just simply rolls right on off just like that. As you can see, you have little holes going all the way around the rim right there. So you have spray coming from there. As far as getting it back on, it's kind of this trapezoid design. So it just simply slides right back on into there with ease. So I really like that. You can move it from side to side as well if you need to pivot it. But let me go ahead and turn this bad boy on for y'all so y'all can see what the spray looks like. So I'm just gonna simply do like that. And that right there, you get a nice, almost like a rain shower type of spray right there. Feels very comfortable on the face. You get a lot of good water surface area whenever you get your face underneath there. So it's covering the whole face, which is nice. So this is a fantastic little shower head. Definitely go and check this one out if this is something that you're looking for. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.